Hi, this question is on elapsed time. Elapsed time tells us how much time has passed from the start to the end of the event. First step, let me read the question. Emily had soccer practice after school today. The green clock shows what time practice began. The yellow clock shows what time it ended. How much time did Emily spend in soccer practice today? The next step is I'll find out what the question is asking me to do. The question is asking me to find out how much time did Emily spend in soccer practice today. That is, I need to find out the time difference between the start time and the end time. For this, I need to first find out what is the start time and what is the end time. And I'll look at the clock to find out what it is. The start time shows that it is 3 o'clock. And the end time shows that it's 6:30. So now I will draw a timeline to find the time spent by Emily. After I've drawn the timeline, I will first start off with the start time, which is 3 p.m. Next, I will draw a mountain to indicate 1 hour interval until I reach 6 o'clock. So let's start. 1 hour, so it will be from 3 to 4. Another 1 hour, that will be 5 o'clock. Another 1 hour, it will be 6 o'clock. Since the end time is 6:30, I only have 30 minutes left, which I'm going to represent by using a hill. And I'll write it down here, 30 minutes. The final step is to add up all the total hours. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 hours and 30 minutes. That's the final answer. Let's practice again. First, I need to understand the question. The question requires me to find how much time did Emily spend in soccer practice today. Then I'll look at the clock and find out the start time, which shows 3 o'clock. And I'll look at the end time, which shows 6:30. The next step is to draw the timeline. And I'll indicate the start time, which is 3 o'clock. I will draw 1 hour intervals by using a mountain until I reach 6 o'clock. So let's do it together. 3, 1 hour will be 4. Another mountain to represent 1 hour will be 5. Another mountain to represent hour, which will be 6. Since the end time is 30 minutes, 6:30, I'm only left with another 30 minutes, which I'll represent by a hill. And record it 30 minutes. My final task is to add up all the hours. Let's count together. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. So we have 3 hours and 30 minutes. That's the final answer.